Why are your business cards hurting your business? Hello and welcome back. I'm Gregory Martire. Talking today about business cards. Do they help? Do they hurt? Now, this is kind of a long-term battle. I've been doing this business for more than 20 years, my whole adult life. I'm currently adulting. I still use business cards, flat answer. Mostly with magnets attached as I give them out in that fashion. With a magnet on the back, you can get the lick 'em and stick 'em type from online on Amazon or at Staples or something. Also on my business cards, I have call to action, calls to actions. Is that how you say that? On the back. So I use the back of the business card as a marketing tool as well. Now, a lot of people will say the business card hurts you in this way. So those things are a couple of things there. That's how they help you. You're giving out a magnet. People keep a magnet, whether they have a Realtor or not or ever use one. They will use a magnet on their fridge, on their filing cabinets. Some people still have those, but they're useful. Call to action on the back of a card. If they're going to throw away a card or they find a card, there's something on the back. Check out a website. How much is my home worth? Would you like a free report? These kinds of things. If you want those, hit me up. I'll be glad to give you what we use and how much success we've had with it. So just send me an email. So how do they hurt your business is mostly in this way. Someone says, oh, give me your card, I'll give you a call. Well, if you give them the card, you're relying on them to take the action and you're relying on them to remember you when the time comes. Real estate, and I imagine just like anything else in business and in life, is all about timing. People will use you if they like you and when they're ready. That's it. They'll like you because of who you are and because if you're confident. And when they're ready is when they're ready for some dire straight need or some need where they decide that they're ready. Them keeping a little piece of paper on hand for that long may not be the most effective way. But none to say, I still use them in my business. When I send out thank you notes, I use the cards. I have magnets on me at all times when people ask me for a card. But if you're giving a card, you're relying on them. So a lot of people say, well, I don't have a card or I don't use them. Let me text you my information. Hint, hint. Now you have their phone number. I have a digital business card. When people ask for that, I'll say, I have a digital card. Can I text it or email it to you? This way you can capture their information. So I'm right down the middle on this one. I still think they're good to have. Some people still collect them. They think it's great. Some people still use them, but we have to come into the 21st, second century here. Digital business cards, email signatures, texting, getting them to give you their information so you keep in touch with them and permission to follow up with them. So business cards do help. They're pretty inexpensive. I leave them everywhere I go. Restaurants, gas stations. Really with anyone and anyone I talk to, I do hand them out a lot. The goal is to get rid of as many as possible because they're so inexpensive. Well, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, click like. If you didn't, keep it to yourself. No, just kidding. Any comment would be greatly appreciated. If you want some coaching and mentoring, please reach out to me anytime. Shoot me a text or give me a call. Gregory Martire, a local realtor and team member here in the greater Philadelphia area. Thank you for your time today. Have a great day.